Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stretch before a workout. And this will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. Alright, so let's get into this video. If you want to stretch before a workout, there are many things that you can do, and I highly recommend stretching before a workout, but you can just get caught up in doing all of these insane amounts of stretches, and it really comes down to a very simple rule, okay? At the bare minimum, when it comes to stretching before a workout, what you want to do is figure out what muscle groups you will be using, and then you want to take those muscle groups through the full range of their potential motion. Okay, their potential full range of motion, like their full range of motion that you think they can get to. Okay, so let's just say I was going to work out my biceps. Okay, so I'm working on my biceps, right? Okay, on the workout that I'm about to do, and I want to stretch before that workout. So I'm going to start off with my biceps, and I'm going to take them through the full range of motion. So full range of motion for a bicep, and listen, I know I don't look like much now, but back in the day, okay, let me tell you, back in the day, I used to be an absolute beast, okay, back in the day, not now. Okay, not now. It's just, listen, it is what it is. But it's okay. I am a father of four. I have four fairly young kids. So, you know, the working out has taken a long back seat. But anyways, so I'm working on my biceps, let's say. Okay, so my stretch before that workout is going to be taking the biceps through the full range of motion. So I'm going to start off by taking my fists like this, and I'm going to go all the way down, stretching, like elongating that bicep head as much as I can, and then all the way up like this. Okay, I literally, like, I can't go any further. I can't go up any further. All the way down, elongating that, and all the way up. Okay? And you're going to do that a few times. You can do it with both arms together, just like that. Okay? Now that's your biceps, but when you're working out your biceps, you know also that you're going to be working out your shoulders as well. It's inevitably, they're related. So if you're doing bicep curls, your shoulders are going to get a bit of a workout, especially your front delts over here, your front of your shoulder muscle over here. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your arms and you're going to stretch your shoulder muscles too. So like this, all the way back here, and then all the way up as far back as I can go. Ooh. And then back down to the back. And then back up, and you're going to do this with both your shoulders, okay, with both your arms at the same time, okay? Then you can do the sides, like the sides won't really be activated, but let's say you're stretching your side shoulder as well, because you're going to do a shoulder workout as well. You go like that, okay, just like that, okay? And you really only need a few reps for each stretch that you're doing. And that is enough, in my opinion, to give you a good, decent pre-workout stretch. Now, also with your biceps, you're going to be working out your forearms, right? So your forearms can go like all the way this way over here, all the way that way. Couple reps like that, okay? Very simple. And then you can also go like this, all the way out, all the way up like that. All the way down, all the way up like that. Okay, so the idea is very simple. Figure out what muscle groups you are going to be working, and then take those muscle groups through their full range of motion for a few reps. And then any other related muscle groups that might be activated too when you're working that muscle group, take those muscle groups as well through their full range of motion for a few reps. It's literally that simple. If you do that, you're going to get a good pre-workout stretch. It's going to make your workout a little bit better, a little bit easier. It's just going to make you, overall be more effective in terms of your actual strength training routine. And yeah, it's literally that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. That's all I have to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.